Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will share with you a new Notion aesthetic setup. So you can either save the template or you can make your own based on the theme that you want. And with that, let's get now into the video. So first step is to open Notion and open a blank page. Next, click on the three dots at the top right corner and you can modify your page. Next is to click on the empty page and add your own title. You can either name it as dashboard or home. But instead of having this usual looking font, we can change it by clicking or by searching fontspace.com. You can generate a new text font and then just choose your own and copy the text. Then paste it here. Next, we will add a call out Notion block, and you can either add a reminder for yourself here or some sayings or quotes that you want to remind yourself. And for the icon, you can either choose an emoji or a specific icon. So here I just added this do not limit yourself reminder, and you can either, again, you can choose a different font style and you can modify the text or leave it as it is. Next, I added this toggle option and I will place here the navigation parts. Next is to duplicate it depending on the main menus that you want to include. So after that, just put it on the last part so you can make your own columns. Just rename the titles. So here I added personal, university, career, and others. But again, since this is a template, you can change it based on your preferences. Then here, this is, again, it's optional, but you can also change the font styles. Just repeat the process, go to font space and generate a new font. So under the toggle list, you can add a page, and this will serve as the menus that you will add on that specific toggle. You can also choose an empty page or choose a template from Notion. So here I added some pages, and you can change the font style by going to font space or on this website, which is LingoJam. Then you can change their icon. So I'm gonna choose here a minimalist icon. It depends on you if you want to add a specific picture or choose an icon. Next is, let's go to Canva, and in here we have to create a new design. So set it or make a custom size of 1080 by 1080 pixels. Next is open Pinterest and search for some photos. So you can search for the theme or color of your Notion page and then type aesthetic photos. So just search for photos, or depending on the navigation area that you included. After searching for some photos, save it to your device and upload it to Canva. Next is to search for some frames here on the Elements tab. It's either you will choose an irregular shape or you can choose a simple shape like arc or a square shape. So in this case, I chose this irregular one, and then I'm just gonna include the photos, then just repeat that to the other images that we saved a while ago. And once you're done editing, you can now save the photos to your device. And here, going back to Notion, add a blank line above the toggle list and insert an image. Then choose the images that we made or that we saved a while ago from Canva. And in here, I just modified the text and added this another area, which will be our to-do list area. So I just titled or named it as this week and then added the days of the week, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. And I also applied a different font style. Again, this is optional, but it depends on the theme that you want. Then I separated them by placing them on a different column. Then I added a divider to separate the days. Next is to add a to-do block. So you can either use a to-do block or just add a bullet point or bullet list. And I'm just gonna repeat that to the other days of the week. And to track what day it is, you can add the date beside the text. So like for example, Monday it's 1, Tuesday 2, etc. And this is how it looks like. So I'm just gonna duplicate this line and place it below. So this will also act as a divider. Then I'm gonna add a class schedule area on which you can place here your schedule. And I also applied a different font style by searching on the font generator. Next is to add a table, and here you can add the time and the subject, room number, and your professor's name. Then here I placed it inside a toggle, so you can hide it if you don't need it or to save some space. And here I'm just modifying the text, and you can also add a background color or change the text colors. Then on the other side or on the other column, I will add here an image. So it depends on you if what you want to add in here, but here I just placed a quote, which I also got from Pinterest. Then you can also add different or other widgets. So you can go to widget box and search for a widget that you want to add on your Notion page. So in this case, I will add the simple calendar, and good thing here is you can change the text color or the header colors, etc. So it will fit with your theme. So after you modified the widget that you want, just copy the link below and paste it here on Notion and just click Create Embed. You can also change its location and change the size. Then I added this reminders area under the class schedule, but again, this is optional, so you can include this or not. And as of now, this is how it looks like. You can then now add a cover for the page. It's either you will choose from Notion's gallery, or you can upload one or search from Unsplash. So here I just choose this watercolor picture, which does really fits the theme, and this is how it looks like. As for the pages, I will just leave it blank, or you can search for some templates here on Notion. So for example, I'm gonna search for a monthly planner, and here you can either choose a free template or buy one that you want. And here I chose this monthly planner by Salt Wagner, sorry for mispronouncing that, and then just duplicate the template. And then it will go to your Notion, then just move the page, the duplicated template, inside your home page. And then place it under your navigation toggle. And in this case, since we have that template from Notion, it's either you will use that or make your own template. So I'm just gonna modify here the icon and the title font. So with this, you can search other templates that you want that will suit your preferences. So if you do not need the other page, then just delete it. And in here, you can again search for a template here on Notion. So in this case, I'm searching for a habit tracker, which will be included under the personal navigation tab. And just repeat the process, just duplicate the template and then place it inside or move it inside your own page. And then move it or place it to where you want it to be located. And just repeat that to your other sub-pages. And here is the result. So again, if you want to have this template, you can go check out the link below in the description box and just duplicate the template, or you can make your own and follow the steps I shared with you in this video. And yes, that is all. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye guys!